Tired of Coursera not letting you download videos? I get it. You want to watch those lectures on your commute, on a plane, or somewhere with spotty Wi-Fi, but the platform just doesn't give you a simple download button. So here's the exact workaround to save those lectures offline in under 5 minutes. All right, here's the plan. First, you'll log in and find your lecture. Then we'll access a hidden download option through the Files menu. It's simpler than you think. So let's start with the basics. Go ahead and log into your account on Coursera.org. Once you're in, navigate to the specific lecture video that you want to save for offline viewing. Just click around your course and find that video page. Now, click on the specific lecture link. In this example, it's called Welcome to Your Guided Project. Just click that title and the page will load with the video player. Now look for the Files button on the page. This is the key piece here. Coursera doesn't want to make it obvious, but for many courses, especially the guided projects, they actually store the video file right there for you. So click on that Files button. This might take a moment to process and load what's available. And here's the really important part. Once the Files menu opens, you need to click on your preferred video resolution, subtitles, or transcripts. This is exactly where the download option lives. And that's it. From being stuck with streaming only, you now have the video file ready to watch offline whenever you want. This is the kind of workflow we cover here at AI Mastery, making tech work for you instead of the other way around. So go ahead, download those lectures and learn wherever you go.